How to fix Instagram Reels lag. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this following video I'll show you how can you fix Instagram Reels lag. So to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Instagram application, after which click on the profile initials and then click on try bar icon. After which, here you want to go ahead and scroll down and you want to click on data uses and media quality. Once you go to this, you want to make sure that this is turned off, or to enable it only when you're using a mobile data. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then you could just turn it off and you could go ahead and Instagram application and see whether the issue fixes or not. Now in some cases, if you're still unable to fix it, then it might be the battery optimizer. So you could go to your settings and make sure to check it out. So to do it, you want to make sure to long press onto the Instagram application and go to this I button. After which, you want to go ahead and click on apps battery uses and make sure that battery optimizer is currently disabled. And once you've done it, you could also come to this page and go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so if you're okay with it, you could just click on the delete button and see whether the issue fixes or not. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you could go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes if you haven't updated for a long time, then it could be such issue. So go to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in Instagram and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. And despite of doing all of these procedures, nothing seems to be working out, then you could simply reinstall the Instagram application. At the same time, restart your device and see whether the issue fixes or not. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.